Bulk attribute maintenance, making life easier. Hi, my name is Tanya, and in this video we're looking at the tools available in Practice Management 11 to update your attributes within your database using the bulk attribute maintenance tools. These new tools put you in control of updating your reporting attributes at client and matter level. You have your own tools to make the changes what you want when you want them at no additional cost. What is bulk attribute maintenance? Well, it's the ability to update partner, manager, department and staff attributes in bulk at both the client and matter level. You can use the selector option or you can use the Excel upload option. It's important that you pick the right tool for the job. You have the attribute supersede function, which directly swaps one person for another. You could use the bulk attribute update selector when rules can be applied to swap. You can also use the bulk update Excel option where visibility and control is required and there is no structure of the changes that you need to make. So an Excel spreadsheet is ideal to review that before uploading. Finally, the Work Center that provides an update tool for the milestone level responsibility. For the Work Center milestone updates, please refer to the Introduction to Work Center video. Scenario 1. The staff member Ben has left the practice. Work is being reallocated to existing staff members on the following basis. Where the matter manager is Campbell, replace the matter responsible Ben with matter responsible Andrina. And Richard, Ben, replace with Adam. So in this case we're going to use the selector tool. We open the selector once it's been enabled from the Joe Admin Security from the Advanced Actions menu. You may choose what you'd like to search for. In this case we're looking for matters. You have the option to include closed matters or leave these off. The selector will now appear. In this scenario we want to change where the matter attributes was Campbell and the matter responsibility was Ben. We're going to change the fee earner to Andrina. Select Next. Select Update to complete the changes, and at this point you'll be warned. It's very important that you make sure that you've done a backup, particularly when you're doing bulk changes. In this case we have 7, but you could be doing 7,000 or 699, whatever the number is. So if you're doing lots of changes, absolutely take a backup before you make the change. There is no undo function. So if you do need to restore your attributes, you'll need to contact us at APS and there will be a chargeable exercise to use your backup and restore your attributes. So to avoid that, please check before doing the update. Go back and repeat the process for the other manager. Again, when you press the update, you will be warned. Our second scenario, a manager has left Campbell and work is to be assigned to Richard. Updates need to be made at the client level and at the matter level. Again, this is a structured update, so we can use the selector tool. This time we're going to use the client update function first. We're looking where the client attribute in this instance, where the manager is Campbell. And we're going to change the manager to Richard. We select Next and we have the relevant count. If you're not certain that this is the right clients, then you can always use your client list to confirm this before you select the update. When they're small numbers, that's easy. For larger numbers, you may prefer to use a different tool. Go all the way back to complete the second part of this particular example, when we'll now update the managers as well. With the manager details, it's Campbell. We are changing the manager to Richard. If in this scenario you find that the 80% fit the rule, you may change the 80%, then deal with the 20% manually. Otherwise, you would be better off using the Excel upload function where that is the scenario. Okay, that's finished. Let's look at our third scenario. We have a manager, Richard, who has left now, and the work needs to be reallocated upon a more detailed review. There's no set rules for this. In this example, we're going to use client list first to extract the information. Let's firstly start with our matters, where the matter manager is Richard. We're going to get all matters. I want to output the client details, so I need to have the client ID, I need to have the client sort name, I need to have the matter ID, and the matter description, and anything that's going to help me distinguish what I need to do for our teams to review this information. Simply pop that now into Excel. Take your wrap text off. Insert a new column for the new manager. In this case, you may go through and update this on a team basis. Once it's complete, that's when we need to transfer this to the upload spreadsheet format. The other fields with the IDs are optional. If you're using the manager name in this example, please ensure that you've typed it as per the manager in the APS console. If you don't, it'll come up as an error in your import. Close the file. Now open the bulk attribute update Excel. Browse to the file that you just saved. Select Next. Check the information that has been imported. If there are any errors, you will see them listed here. Select Update, and you'll get warned with the same prompt and warning as per the Select Updates. It is now update all clients and matters with that new manager. So in summary, we need to make sure that you've done a backup before completing any bulk changes in your database. There's no undo function. Also take care if you're using the Excel process to make sure that when you copy and paste to the Excel file format, there is no errors. Choose the tool that fits your scenario the best. And for milestone responsibility changes for workflow reporting, complete this using the Work Centre tool. This is also available as a separate course. If you want to learn more or provide feedback on the bulk attribute maintenance tool, we'd love to hear from you. So please email us and a consultant will be in contact with you. Thank you very much.